Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Basecamp automated check-ins for team accountability, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, log into your Basecamp account. Navigate to the specific project where you want to set up automated check-ins. Look for the check-ins feature located in the project menu. Click on check-ins to access the check-in settings. Select the option to create a new check-in. Here, you will want to enter a clear and concise question for your team. Make sure the question is specific to the project and encourages accountability. Next, choose how often you want the check-in to occur, such as daily or weekly. Select the time of day when you want the check-in to be sent. Decide which team members should receive the check-in notifications. You can choose all team members or specific individuals for accountability. After setting up the details, review your check-in settings for accuracy. Once you are satisfied, click the Create Check-in button to activate it. Your team will now receive automated check-in prompts based on your settings. Encourage your team to respond promptly to foster accountability. You can review the responses in the same check-in section anytime. Monitor the check-ins regularly to assess team progress and engagement. Adjust the frequency or questions as needed to keep the check-ins effective. With these steps, you will effectively implement automated check-ins in Basecamp for enhanced team accountability. Enjoy the improved communication and productivity within your team. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.